participate in a little tournament that's also a speed programming competition. So I'm going to make a Rocket League bot in 3 hours and do the best I can, and then tomorrow we're going to watch a tournament between me and a couple other people. So it should be fun. I can't start yet. It starts in about 8 minutes, so I'm just going to be hanging out here waiting for the starting gun to go off. I'm planning to make this one in Kotlin, so I'm going to be starting based on this Java example repo. I've decided I'm just going to start with the git clone as soon as it begins. And that way this will be kind of a tutorial from the very beginning. It might be helpful to more people that way. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking for a while, and I will start in 8 minutes. 1 minute remains. But how many seconds? 20 seconds. I'm so hype I'm going to forget how to type. I'm going to be real embarrassed if this isn't actually the start time. Oh, there we go, 10 o'clock. Alright. So I'm going to clone, this, like this, into VolleyBot. This is somewhat aspirational. I'm hoping to get some volleys going on with this bot. I don't know if it'll work out. Okay. So let's open up IntelliJ. Hi, Ridwan. Aren't you supposed to be working on a bot right now? Let's have a good competition. I did open IntelliJ, right? I'm not crazy. Shouldn't that be happening right now? There it is. Oh god, everything went away. Stop moving to the wrong screen. Alright, let me just cramp this right over here. Like that. And file. How do I do this? How about new? No, that's not right. I should practice this part. I'm gonna call it VolleyBot. Of course I picked a V name, so it's the very bottom. Why is it not here? There it is. Okay. Gradle project, blah blah blah. Let's do, oh no, let's do that. Great. This window. Okay, VolleyBot is syncing. It's probably setting up some dependencies and all that stuff. While it's doing that, I think I'll go ahead and rename my bot. So, first main Python, Java example, VolleyBot. I'm gonna go ahead and name this too. .py. And let's not forget to change these. And I'll change this to VolleyBot. I'll make them all that. Why not? Column select is beautiful. Okay, and then I think I'm probably going to go RLBot versus human for most of my training. We'll see. Alright, this all succeeded. So let's open up. Oops, don't do that. Let's open up my sample bot. I'll rename it to VolleyBot. And let's see if this will go ahead and work for us. So, let me open Rocket League. I'll use this terminal to try run framework.bat.
Activated.
I have all the spotlight because I'm the only guy with sound. Oh boy. Pressure mounts higher and higher. So, what do we got here? Rename some stuff. Oops, I did something wrong. Python. Did I spell that right? No, I did not. Alright. Here. Ents. Try that again. Don't hate me. I work on a GUI. I'll start using it in a little bit, I bet. Alright. So what's up? We got me versus VolleyBot over there. Beautiful. Alright. That means we're working well enough for check-in. Yeah. Alright, lovely. So, I want to... First I want to teach this bot to dribble a little bit, because you can't always do volleys. And I want to try out a certain dribbling scheme I was thinking about. It will become apparent eventually. Let me just... And also to try out the dribbling, I want to draw the lines as if my human player is the one dribbling, as opposed to the bot. So it's easier for me to drive around manually and debug the situation. So, I want this data packet to start knowing about the enemy car. So input.car. I'll do this. And let's see here. So we're just going to assume for the purposes of this tournament that there's only 2 players. So I'll do this dot enemy car equals all cars dot get 1 minus player index. So if my team is 1, then the enemy is 0, and vice versa. Okay. I wonder if I'm ever going to use Kotlin during this. Might be too much of a hassle. We'll find out. Alright, and then so I'm going to make a thing called... actually, first I need to do intercepts. That might take me a little bit. So, new package. Go to class, intercept calculator, and I think we're also going to need a ball path class. And our VolleyBot will... It's going to need to get that ball path. Do we do any of that here? I don't think so. Okay. RLBot DLL dot get ball prediction. Do ball path that. And then what's the matter with you? I don't care. That's fine. And then gonna make a local variable for this. Actually, what if I just make this throw instead? That'd be better. Okay, great. Now what are you mad about? Create constructor. Okay, so the point of this class is it's going to... Am I going to win? I do not know. Time will tell, Goose. The point of this class is to answer some basic questions about the ball path, like when's it going to bounce, or when's it going to get to a certain frame, or a certain elevation as it descends. Yeah, this is not Python. All right. So let's see. I'll just make this a field for now. We'll make it final. Oops. Sure. And I'll make it what does this thing have in it? Call it a slice or something. Slices sub I. Oops. Okay. I'm going to stop messing with this. I'll figure out what it needs to do a little bit later. Okay, but we have our ball path. Now the intercept calculator. Where'd that go? We're going to do public static. We need a time and a space for our intercept. So let's do that. New. I'll just make something called intercept. Okay. And this is going to have final. I'll make my times in terms of I'll make them floats for now. Game time, private, final, vector 3, position, and I guess that's good enough for now. Oops. Alright, and I'll just do some getters for that. Lovely. Typing's overrated. Alright, so this is going to return intercept. Get intercept. And it's going to take in a ball path. And it will take in, let's see here, car data, I guess. Car. We'll do that for now. Okay, and then to find the intercept, I also need to model how the car can move. I think the most critical question is how far can the car get given a certain amount of time. And so for each slice in the ball path, we have a time associated with that, and we know where the car is, we know how far it can get, so we know whether the slice is accessible. Okay, so back in the good old RLBot days. Thanks for the good luck. I'll do my best. I'll go ahead and do a car distance. So car data, car, and I guess I'll say vector 3 no, I'm not going to mess with that yet. Okay, so we're passing in cars so that we know the initial velocity and stuff like that. And then the actual car distance class is going to have, public float, max distance given float seconds. Actually, I think we do need to take into account the target location. Alright. So. You like the baby photo? I do too. Okay, so we need to do some stuff here. There's a special time in between when it's accelerating and then when it's just cruising, right? So let's see, float till max speed equals. First, we need to know float velocity till max speed. And first, we need to know the current speed equals. Oh, should we actually pass the car into this? No. Oh, all this needs to be up here. What am I doing? Equals car dot velocity dot magnitude. What are you mad about? Oh. Alright. Velocity till max speed equals max speed minus current speed. Let's see. Should I care about boost yet? Not yet. What is this, 2300? I don't actually use the normal units most of the time, so I have no intuition for this. Let's go ahead and check that before it gets crazy. I hope I'm not breaking the rules right now. Useful game values. Boost pads, yada yada, spawn locations, physics. Okay then. Regular speed, no boost, okay. $1,400. Okay, I'm just gonna use regular speed for now. I'm gonna use double for everything. Okay, so seconds till max speed should be let's see, till max speed divided by the acceleration, which, oh god, please, Mr. Wiki, have the acceleration. Oh no. That's okay, we'll figure it out. Let's call it 1,000. Okay. So, I'll double distance during Excel equals 1/2 AT squared, right? Times acceleration times seconds till max speed times seconds till max speed. And then during cruise equals wait. Okay, I'm getting this mixed up a little bit. I'll refactor this later. I'm going to move everything down here. I'm going to consolidate this rather. Get rid of this thing. Okay. So let's see. If seconds till max speed. Yeah, okay. This might be less than the seconds here, so for first part equals math dot min seconds till max speed. Okay, if max speed. Okay, so if the car, what do you, double? If we don't have many seconds to play with, then we're going to be accelerating the entire time. So we're going to return this value. I'm assuming I've done a few terrible mistakes. Robbie's saying don't forget initial velocity. Oh, thank you. That was going to be bad. So current speed plus, oops, times seconds for first part. Yeah, that UT is not something you want to forget. Okay. And then, so down here we know that there are two parts. So final double seconds for second part equals seconds minus seconds to max speed. And we know this is a positive value because we would have returned otherwise. So distance during cruise will be regular speed times seconds per second part. Turn distance during accel plus distance during cruise. Alright, if I got this wrong, it's going to be a disaster. So I'm going to tinker with this a little bit. Eventually, using this target location, I'm going to add some kind of penalty if the car is facing the wrong way. But for now, I'm not going to mess with that. So, just want to get this to compile. And then what's this thing mad about? Oh. Controls output. Okay. So at this point, what do I want to do? Seconds. Okay. So I want to see the max distance of the enemy car, and I want to print that on the screen. So I'll double x equals car distance dot max distance. And we're going to say for 2 seconds, the car will be input dot enemy car, and the location doesn't matter at the moment. Oops. Okay, and then where's my render stuff? Draw string 2D plus hello, this is not Linux, this is Windows. Unfortunately, we only support Windows. What else do we need? Color. Say color dot white point. I'm gonna say new point 2020. What else? Scale. I find 2.2 to be useful. All right. So let's get this going. If I Go ahead and run this, what happens? Does it work yet? This is the first time I've actually compiled it. And it's been a half hour, my god. Time flies when you're having fun. Alright, we got a bot running, that's cool. So, what the? What is it driving for? Oh, it's no, it's towards ball agent. Okay, we got our first goal, baby. And it won the game. That's annoying. We gotta turn on unlimited. VolleyBot wins his first ever match, just like that. All right, this time I will use the GUI. Run framework GUI. No polyline, that's going to be a problem. By the way, I've noticed before that my stream tends to cut out when I'm compiling, so sorry about that. So what do we want to do? This is RLBot, this is human. We want some mutators. We want match length, unlimited, limited score, close, save, run. How come it still says? Maybe I have to leave match first. Does say unlimited now, right? Match length, yeah, okay. I'm also going to tell this bot to chill. Okay, let's fire this back up. I've got unlimited time, very nice. Okay, so enemy max distance. And that is, of course, referring to the orange car. Okay, so when I go forward, I get more max distance, that's good. As to whether that's accurate, I'm not really sure. But hey, at least it's not crashing, right? Okay. Good. So now I'm going to try to rig up an intercept. So intercept calculator is supposed to look through the ball path and find the first slice that we can get to in time. Should I go ahead and optimize this thing? No, not really. There's not much to optimize at the moment. So, intercept calculator. So for 0 I is less than ball path dot. I don't know why I abstracted this thing. Let's say size. Plus. Okay. So I'll say vector3 ball location equals path dot get slice I dot physics dot location, except this is a different type of vector, so I have to translate them. I think this has a, yep, has a little constructor. Like so. Alright. And then we have ball time equals the same thing, except dot game seconds. Oh god, it's a float. That's okay. And then let's not do this repeatedly, so slice. Alright. And then car distance dot max distance. And then how many seconds do we have to work with? So seconds available equals ball time minus car dot elapsed seconds, I think. What is this? Often very useful, yada yada. Okay, great. Alright, so what does this take? It takes seconds available, the car, and a target location that, we'll say ball location, even though it doesn't get used yet. Okay. We'll make a variable if max distance is greater than or equal to do we have a distance thing? Not really. So ball location dot minus car dot position dot, oh, there is a dot distance. Distance, car position. Then this is our slice, so we want to return a new intercept, which takes what? Game time. So that's just, it's going to be the ball time. And ball location, I think. Why is it mad about that? It wants a double. Oh, that's stupid. I'm just going to use double everywhere. Okay, otherwise it's going to return null if we get through the whole thing. Why am I using Java? It's my favorite. I don't know about seconds elapsed and game seconds. Would I times 60 work the same? I think so, yes. But the game seconds thing, oh no, I'm sorry, it's different. Game seconds, this is like the actual number of elapsed seconds in the whole game. So like the first ball slice right here would be at 55, and then it just increments from there. So, and it's the same thing with the car. So this is 55, the first slice is also 55. That's why it's important to subtract them to get the seconds that I have available to play with. Okay. So, let's see. Get intercept, ball path. Wait, is that? Yeah. And I'll go with enemy car here. Okay. And then I want to render this. Let's bring this up. Render dot draw rectangle 3D. For you don't have purple? Jesus. Cyan. Okay. Is there a way to do this centered? Oh, draw centered rectangle. Position will be intercept dot position. Width will be 4 true. Is that? What is this thing concerned about? Might be a null pointer. Why? Whatever. Okay. I am curious to see about this, so let's try it. Alright, bot is running. Alright, so we get a nice teal spot on the ball, that's a good start. So it thinks my intercept is... Wow, why isn't the intercept moving more? Seems wrong. Weird. It's quick chatting, yay. Alright, yeah, I'm not super sure this is right. This could be a consequence of the acceleration math being a little bit wrong. It seems a little bit overly pessimistic, don't you think? Like, I can definitely get to it before the blue dot says I can. Or can I? That's not too bad. Yeah, it's pessimistic. Alright, what's next? I wanted to try some dribbling. And the intercept is going to be helpful for that. So, let's start drawing some stuff. I want a thing that dribbles. Where do I want to put it? Okay. I'm going to start making a class hierarchy so it doesn't bite me later. Is this the class I want? Yeah. And this will take in what do we have? Data packet. We'll let it have the whole bot. Why not? Or rather, what is VolleyBot? This is can't access bot. We'll just let it take a VolleyBot for now. Nah, screw that. I'll do that later if I need it. And this is abstract. Okay. So this extends skill. Implement that. And then this thing is, of course, going to do a lot of drawing right now. So I want my renderer. For bot loop. Oh, Christ. So we actually need the bot already. Okay. So let's draw some lines. For the dribbling, first line I want is from the card to the ball. So draw line 3D. Let's go with yellow. The start will be packet dot card dot position, and the end will be let's see, should I go straight to the ball or to the intercept? Might want both, right? Yeah, let's do both. So packet dot ball dot position, and then we'll want the intercept too. So actually I'm just gonna carve this right out of here so we're not doing it twice. We need the ball path too. Return. We'll return null for this. Okay. Just call it packet now. Okay, we should be in business. Oh, the intercept could easily be null too, right? Now it's getting annoying that I'm not using Kylan. Whatever. Okay. So we've got our intercept now. Also, dot get position. That'll be green. And then What do we have in terms of steering? Let's extract some basic steering intelligence. So, let me just grab all this crap. No, what the? Public controls output toward position. Car data, nope. Data, car, and vector 3 position. Okay, we don't need this. I'm gonna call this my car briefly, and I'll rename it to car. What? So, oh, Shift F6. It is. Alright. And then, correction angle. Okay, so to ball position equals position dot flatten. And I'm going to call this target position. We get steer correction radians. Great. Don't want this. Don't need the quick chat in here. And then get this back. And then let's smooth out the wiggle just a little bit. So let's say so if steer correction radians is positive, we want to go left, so it's negative, so it's kind of flipped. Let's say negative steer correction radians times 0.1 F. What are you mad about? Oh. Okay, I guess I gotta cast it. Alright. I'm kind of curious whether that works at all. And what was I gonna do with that? Oh yeah. Let's just return steering dot. Okay. Secure position. Car. Is it not called car? Oh, we don't have one yet. Oh, we don't want to be doing. We don't want to be doing that anymore. It's really confusing. Car. Hopefully we're not doing enemy car anywhere else. Nope. Okay. And this takes what else? Position. So we'll just steer towards the intercept. How about that? Alright. So let's start getting rid of this and this and basically all this stuff. And we'll say build mode dot get output packet, input, and my bot is this. Okay, so what will happen if I do this? So I should be the bot dribbling after the ball now, right? I also want to just spectate this thing. So let's shut this thing down. And fire it up again. It also might get really upset if there's no enemy car because we're trying to print something from it. So I'll have to change that code before we start it up. So where was that? That's kind of cheap. Whatever. Okay. What is that bot doing? I say. But seriously though. It's not rendering anymore. Alright, what are you doing? Doing max distance. Wait, shouldn't the enemy car be null? Shouldn't it be freaking out right here? Hold up. Player index is 0. Wait, player's length is 2? What are you talking about? That's deeply confusing. One has 100 boost, one has 34, allegedly. What the hell, man? There's only one car in the game, isn't there? We got a secret hidden car. Pretty screwed up if you ask me. Now what do you think? Still 2 cars. Who made this Java integration crap? Unbelievable. Alright, let's start mostly fresh. One hour has elapsed. Bot making it ain't easy. Alright, so we want to get rid of the human. And I'll save this and let me double check. Where's my... one participant. It's an RLBot, that looks good. Alright. So it's running. I'll click around on this. Fine. This should, of course, be doing nothing. I mean, what? Okie doke, we're gonna restart Rocket League. Very disappointing. Alright. Booting up Rocket League. Kick this off again. I'll run
activated.
That. This bot better have fake kickoffs. Oh gosh. Fake kickoffs don't work so hot if you are bad at intercepting the ball. Some deep magic that I don't think we're going to get to in 3 hours. Okay, what's the situation? We're in Rocket League. It's not driving, mercifully. Good. How many cars do you think you have? 1. That's better. You freaking out? Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Okay, there's no enemy car, so let's chill out with this. Alright. That's more like it. It seems very disinterested in steering. So I got something wrong there. Good grief. Steer correction radians. Maybe Robbie was not kidding with the whole 2F thing. Better not screw me on this, Robbie. Hey, there we go. Why does the ball look like it's acting weird? Whatever. Another beautiful goal by VolleyBot. Okay. So now it's time to start rendering some dribble stuff. I'm gonna stop it right about there. And then... oh, how do I want to pause the game but also be spectating. I guess we'll just have to do it live. Or I'll go back and do what I said I did in terms of rendering it for the human. But I still would really love to have a top-down view. Okay, anyway. I'll just press ahead. So for dribble mode, I would like to kind of draw a V where when it's approaching the ball, it goes to the side, like it aims to the left or to the right of it. And then once it gets alongside, then it kind of angles in towards the ball. And the car is going to be steering towards a little dot that goes along that line. So one thing I want to do is draw a dot like this, except it's going to be big and red, and it's going to be the thing that the car chases after. So this will be my steer target. Which will be done here too. And we're going to start making this a little bit smarter. So first of all, I have to decide whether I'm going to approach the ball from the left or the right. So from left equals, alright, so I think I have to decide whether I need to move the ball's velocity left or right to get it towards the goal. So we also need some concept of where the enemy goal is. Do we have anything for enemy goal in this data packet? Not really. New package. Goals. New class. Goal. Vector 2. Get center given the team. Okay, so if team equals 0, return new vector 2, 0 on the x, and what? Where's the goals? Hello? 5120. Negative 5120 for Team Blue. And oh, I can do this better. 5120. Whatever. I don't have to be clever. Obviously, I could use a little bit of math instead of this if condition, but whatever. So yeah, this is supposed to be the center of the goal belonging to this team. I'll make a little helper method that does get enemy goal. So I'll do this a little bit differently. Private int team. Public static goal get defending. My team. Okay, something like that. So, where are we? Goal, enemy goal. What we got here? Packet dot team. Okay. So we got yeah, more objects forever. Never have enough objects, man. Never ever. Packet dot ball dot velocity dot flatten dot correction angle enemy goal dot hey, get center. That's not right. We want to go from the ball to the center. So dot flatten. Oops. Okay. So ball correction radians is number of radians I need to steer the ball in order to get it into the goal. Change its velocity so it lines up with the ball to goal vector. This might not work so hot when it's kind of on the goal line, because the center of the goal is not really the angle you want to shoot at in that situation, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Alright, so approach from left would be ball correction radians greater than 0 or less than 0. Let's see. If the ball needs to go right, that means negative correction radians, and you'd want to approach from the left. So this is backwards. Who knows, man? If approach from left. Render dot draw string 2D. Okay. Steer target. Yada yada. Alright, let's test that out. Time check. Been at this for an hour and 15. Okay, that seems wrong. We should be approaching from the right if we want to shoot on the goal, shouldn't we? Okay, our ball correct. Oh, but the ball has no velocity, so I'm not sure how it even. It's just guessing at this point, right? So yeah, the dribble mode should do something totally different if the ball is motionless, right? Or if it has a really low velocity. So let's say I'll get that ball dot velocity to magnitude is less than 500 to right, okay. So now it actually has a velocity, and it's not approaching from left, it's approaching from right, since it's not printing anything, which makes sense to me if we're trying to guide the ball into the goal. Now it says approach from left. Wait, is that right? I don't know, man. Now, yeah, approach from left makes a lot of sense. Alright, let me get it back. I'm gonna wait till the car's in an obvious position for dribbling. That might take a while. Come on, man, turn it around. I want it to look like it has a shot opportunity. Kind of. That's good enough. So we want to approach from the right, obviously, so we can steer the ball left. Alright. So I'm going to call this thing an approach basis vector for some reason. And this is going to be orthogonal to I think the car to intercept vector. Do we have that vector yet? I think we're drawing it. Oh, sort of. Okay. I think it's a vector 2. Intercept equals intercept get position dot minus car dot position dot flatten, and then I want approach basis to be orthogonal. Do we have any kind of rotate thing in here? Not really. Okay. Let's do some kind of rotation thing. Public vector, oops, to orthogonal boolean left. So if left is true, then we're going to rotate 90 degrees left, otherwise 90 degrees right. So if left, return new vector 2. So that would be what? Y and negative x? I guess we'll find out real fast. The alternative is negative yx. Who knows, man? Guess and check. So car to intercept. Is that what I want? Not necessarily. What did I want that to be? I kind of want it to be more based on the ball's velocity, a little bit. I think. I don't know. I'll start with this. Dot orthogonal, and then card intercept. So yeah, approach from left. Dot normalized. Dot. Actually, I'll do scale to magnitude. Scale to magnitude. What? What's a good distance? 500, I guess. All right, let's draw this and see if it's correct. So renderer dot draw line 3D orange. Okay, so I'm gonna extend this basis line from the intercept point, I think. So intercept get position and intercept get position dot plus approach basis dot what that's awkward because it's a vector 2 now. I'll make it a vector 3, why not? No, I won't. Oh, you have to go? Okay, thank you. I'll do my best. Easy. Okay. Draw that orange line. And then let's see if that works. What's with the breakpoint? Alright, we got an orange line and it's totally going the wrong direction. So I bet I screwed this up over here. That's better. Okay, so imagine if I drove towards the tip of that orange line instead of dead center. That'd be cool, right? Oh, the code swap? Yeah, I got, if I do Control Shift and then arrow key, I can move stuff up and down, and it's intelligent about where things belong. Like if I keep hitting it, then it won't go up anymore because it knows that it's illegal to go outside this function. You can also do it for functions, just move it up and down the file. It's pretty sick. Okay. So for the dribble maneuver, I want to, I'll make the steer target this thing for now. Oops. Basis tip. And then the steer target will be basis tip. And let's see how this drives. Alright. Oh, what the oh, shit. Okay, why? I guess maybe the ball needs to be corrected left now. But still, let's... Shit. $500 too big. Well, we're not actually doing anything with... Oh, that 500. Yeah, it's for sure too big. You're right, you're right. But not this 500, the other 500. This. So we'll call this, size. We'll give it the good old 250. But yeah, you're right. It's also going to be dynamic. I'm going to shrink it as the car approaches. What a goal. Okay. Yeah, let's start making this dynamic. So you're saying half the ball distance? That's it's an interesting ploy. Let's go ahead and try that. Basis size times car to intercept dot magnitude over 2. Why not? Oh, we also probably want to cap this, right? We don't ever want it to be more than the basis size. Wait, shit. What am I so confused about? Oh boy. Unfortunately, I think we're going to be stuck circling the ball for a little bit. Why didn't that seem to do anything? I feel like we're still way too far out. Basis size times... Y multiplied by distance. I want to, when the car gets close to the ball, I want it to curve inward towards it. So right now, what's car to intercept at magnitude? Tell it to me. 279. Oh. Oh, you're right. I just want the raw distance, don't I? Yeah. That's better. Thanks for making me look at that. Alright, imagine if I wasn't driving in circles. Just imagine. Alright, let's bring it around town. Okay, why, oh. The ball isn't moving, so it doesn't really know what to do. That's fine. Ooh, this is spicy. It looks almost like it's dribbling. I think, that's pretty sweet. Need to calibrate the distance a little bit differently. But it's interested in scoring. It's cute. It's definitely cute. Let me change this number a little bit to, I don't know, divide by 3? I don't know. The other thing we have to do is speed control. We don't want to overshoot the red dot by any means. Whoops, what did I do? Okay. That was a bit much. Oh dear. 4? 4.5? This is the best part of bot making, is picking random numbers. Okay, sweet. That seems about right. Now we just kind of have to get it to chill out and stop overshooting. Oh, come on, man. Gave it too much. I guess it might be smart to teach it how to shoot just a tiny bit, so it doesn't do awful things in front of the goal. Yeah, speed control is a bit rough. I'm gonna make this a 5, so it's a little bit less crazy. Alright, speed control. So we're steering towards a position. We kind of want to steer towards intercept, though, don't we? To take the time into account. Let's copy paste this and get working on that. Can I show off the bot? Yeah, I will in just a second. Okay. Oh, we don't need this. I'll just run it now and make sure. Oh, first I want to start using this though. Steer toward intercept. Oh, and this thing needs, you know what? I'm just gonna make this not an intercept, but I'll supply the time instead. I'll call this an appointment or something, and it'll do the same thing as the other one. Except it will demand, we'll just give it intercept that time for now. But I'll keep using floats. Better? Okay. So I'm expecting no change. Wall play is a little bit weak, admittedly. That might go in. Nope. Alright. Let's do the speed control thing. I'll let you guys watch this out of the corner of your eye while I... I don't know, is this good viewing? You tell me. Alright. So, it's slightly distracting. Steer towards appointment. Don't have to keep it up. That's fine, I'll keep it up. So, now that I have game seconds, The car has game seconds. I should probably be using my whatchamacallit. What did I make for this? I had a car distance thing. Where'd it go? Max distance. Does that help me? Oh, did I score? Oh shit. For now, I'll just do a trivial, like, average speed needed type thing. So... average speed needed equals... what's the distance? Magnitude. Average speed needed equals distance to target divided by game seconds minus car dot elapsed seconds. I'm gonna rename this to arrival time. Alright. And then double current speed equals car dot velocity dot magnitude. Okay. And then let's say throttle equals current speed is greater than average speed needed, then 0.1 else 1. That's pretty clunky, but it'll do something at least. Ooh, interesting. I think it's still going a little bit too fast, but I'm gonna watch it for a while and give it a chance. That's better, but yeah, it got a little bit ahead of itself. I think the target point might also be a little bit ahead of where it should be. I want to be like a little bit behind the ball, ideally. Oh, what are you doing, man? Ouch. I'm just kind of watching and meditating here. Also, the Intercept might still be BS. I never really, fixed the acceleration of the car. Like, I just kind of guessed 1,000 for acceleration, and I'm sure that's wrong. It's kind of working incredibly well considering. Alright, what if I make this a bit more extreme? Let's make this 0. And otherwise, we'll do that for now. And then for this dribble mode, okay, we've got the basis tip. What if we just subtract off a little bit back towards the car? So dot minus car intercept dot scale to magnitude 100. Now what are you mad about? Oh. Car intercept dot scale. With Z0. Acceleration isn't linear. Oh. Okay, Robbie thinks braking might be necessary. It might be. Might well be. Now we're going slow. A little bit too slow, if you ask me. It's very ominously dribbling towards the goal. Jeez, man. Alright, listen. That's never gonna do. I want to undo this. We're just gonna do the basis tip. Again. And then let's see how it impacts our speed control. Look at the carry. We're getting good, boys. No own goals, by the way, let me point out. Okay. It's pretty sweet. I think we have to get a little bit smarter about how it transitions from one side of the dribble to the other. Actually, that's kind of legit. It's a nice long meandering path. Can I cut it? No. Too bad. Alright, this bot's legit. I'm into it. Now I gotta incorporate boost somehow. It's gonna throw a wrench in the works, isn't it? Alright. Yep, I'm good with this. So, I call this thing VolleyBot for a reason. I'm going to teach this thing how to pop the ball around up into the air, if I can. Excuse me for a moment while I put something in the fridge. Kind of scared I'm going to lose my voice, by the way. Okay. So, I was going to do something for this, wasn't I? Shit. What was I going to do? Let's give it a different steer target, right? So... Oh, it'll be simpler if I just return something simple. Intercept dot get position. Wait, this thing might own goal. I'm not sure this is a good idea at all. Jeepers. The competition doesn't have Rocket League running. Oh boy. Alright, I'll deal with that later. Volleys as promised. So, let's detect when let's find out when the ball is on our head and pop it up, and then we can go for some volleys after that. So let's get rid of this. So Boolean can pop ball equals input.ball.position. We're going to be using this a lot. Oops. The fuck? That z is greater than, what's the ball radius, man? Ball radius. 92.75. And I'm going to say ball radius times 2. Um, 1.5, I don't know. What I'm trying to do is, like, the ball should be off the ground and the ball should also be over my car. So, and ball position dot z is less than ball radius times 3? I don't know. I'm not sure how high it'll be when it's on my roof. And ball position dot flatten dot distance input dot car dot position dot flatten is less than 100? Let's call it 50. Where's my renderer? Get back here. Render dot draw string 2D pop color dot white. What else? New point 10 200 2. All right. Let's see if this ever renders. Remind me to teach you how to shoot. Can pop. When did that turn on? I don't know, but it's on now. That's good. I want to watch it happen one more time. Sweet. Alright, so when it can pop, I'm going to make it do a little jump. Sounds fun, right? So we'll do turn new controls output dot width. Oh. I wonder if we might need to integrate or implement plans real quick. So let's see how fast I can do this. Package plan. So plan is going to be a series of steps, like jump for 0.2 seconds and then you're done. So make a plan class, and it's going to have a private list of skill. New. We've got another hour, I think. I'll get a linked list. Why not? Linked list. Oops. Okay, now what are you pissed off about? Yeah, why not? Oops. Okay. We'll add a add a constructor. Public plan with step skill. That steps that add skill. Turn this. It'll allow us to chain this thing together. And then public controls output, get output. And it's going to take in the same stuff the skill does. So a data packet and a bot. And we're going to say it's going to have an index, right? Index. Index will keep track of what skill it's currently doing in the list. This should probably actually be an array list, since we're going to be doing random access a lot. Okay. So skill, current skill equals steps dot get index. Current skill dot get output packet bot. Okay, if output is not equal to null, return output, else index plus plus. So if a skill is done, it's just going to return null, and that means the plan should move on to the next one. And we'll wrap this in a while loop. So while index is less than steps dot size. We'll do this thing. And if it runs out, the plan will return null. I hope I did that right. Okie doke. And then I'm going to make a new skill called timed action. Extends skill and public timed action. Oops. We're going to do a double duration in terms of seconds and a controller output, controls output, controls. Like that. And then make a field for that and a field for this. And then private double end time. And the first time we get one of these, I'm gonna make this -1, I guess. End time is less than 0, then end time equals packet dot, where's the time? Car dot elapsed seconds plus duration. If end time is less than packet.car.elapsed seconds, then we're going to return null because it's done. Otherwise, we're going to return controls. Okay, so this will allow us to say, okay, for 0.2 seconds, I want to be holding jump and boost or something like that. And then once it's over, then it will return null and be done. I sure hope this works. So, VolleyBot. Let me just keep this going for entertainment's sake. Sweet. All right. What am I doing looking at this? The other VolleyBot, please. So this thing's gonna have a plan now. Private plan. Plan equal to null. Plan to get output, input, and this. Put equals null, then we're going to make the plan null because it's done. Oh. This code could be simplified, but I'm not going to bother. Alright, so if we can pop the ball, we're going to say plan equals, no, not return, equals new plan dot with step new timed action for 0.3 seconds. We're going to jump. I'm doing well, huh? I do like this dribbling. This is fun dribbling. But just you wait for the pop. Okay, is this right? Maybe. And then I'm going to plan dot get output input this. All right. Hope this works. Let's get into that pop situation. Hey! We got pops. Okay. So now I gotta teach it how to do that better. Okay. So we're popping it. Maybe I should be doing a backflip though, what do you think? Let's try that. So I'll do some more steps. We'll jump for 0.2, and then unjump for 0.05. And then we will jump again. Forward dodge. What are you talking about? Dot with jump, dot with pitch. 1. Is that how it works? Holy shit! What a goal! What were you talking about, front flip? Unnecessary. Oh my god. This is next level. I want to see it do that again. We'll find out if it's a fluke real fast. Okay, it's a fluke. Still though, that was sweet. He's dribbling so hard. Oh, sick, 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 sick. Okay, we'll keep that. Alright, so we got the pop. The pop works. Now I would love to volley. How much time do I have? 50 minutes. 50 minutes and a prayer. Okay. So, what I want to do is, I want to find out when the ball is about to get to a certain height on its way back down. So, ball path, help me out. Actually, maybe I'll let the intercept calculator do this. So, let's see, intercept, get volley point. So that's just going to use the, well, I'll bring in the cartoon and I'll make sure it's possible. Okay. So, up here I'm going to iterate through the ball path just like this. Alright, and I'm going to keep track of previous, I guess. Wait, no. Oh yeah, sure. But it'll be a position. Prev equals ball path dot get slice 0 dot physics dot hold up. That location. Oops. Okay. Slice to position, yada yada. Start this off at 1. Please code something so it goes easy on your bot. No can do, man. I don't have time for that. Just wish you luck in the tournament. Previous. Okay, vector 3 current equals Slice to position I if prev.z is greater than height, and current.z is less than height. That means the ball just dipped beneath the height that we want to volley at, and so we want to return an intercept with this slice. So return intercept, what's the ball time? Slice I dot game seconds and current. Okay. Otherwise we'll... Oh, I said I was going to check to see if this was accessible. Okay, so we'll do that, and then actually we need this as well. And oh, for goodness sake. Ball location is now called current Okay, so this will find the moment when the ball dips below a certain height, and if and only if the car can get there in time, it'll return that intercept. Otherwise, it'll return null. So that means we got this nice function. Why is this not rolling? Let's keep that rolling. Alright, let's go use this. Alright, so we got our plan stuff, we got our ball pop stuff. So Boolean can volley equals input.ball.position is greater than volley height, which is going to be what? 500? Why is that a vector 3? Oh, that's why. And I won't do it this way. If intercept calculator dot get volley point. Do I not have a ball path yet? I thought I did. I'll go ahead and make one out here. Move that get output. Problem is I'll be constructing the ball path twice, but I guess I don't give a hoot. Doesn't need perfect performance. Dang it, what did I have in here? Where's my stuff? Where's the dribble thing? Okay, get rid of this. Ball path and what? Input car and the volley height. All right. Got our volley point. Ooh. The bot was better when it didn't backflip? Oh no. It's important though. It's important because we need that for the volleys, baby. And it just scored. Nice. Okay. I wonder if we're allowed to change our bot appearance after the time is up. We should get a ruling from that, from the judges. Alright, where was I? So if volley point is not equal to null, let's just render a nice little string that says that the volley is available. "10 additional minutes? What does that mean? Okay. Oh, 10 minutes for the appearance? Sweet. Alright. Why is it not saying volley available? Did I make the threshold too high? This is such a bad manners bot. Okay, volley available. Cool. Alright, alright. That's sweet. Let's do something with that. Boom. What a goal. Alright. Hey, let's watch the replay. Fair enough. Okay. Next. Sure, I'll add friend. Why is that popping up for me? What's the deal? Whatever. Okay, volley available. So in that case, I want to go for a volley. So, do I want to make that a skill? Yeah, I guess so. So this thing is going to kind of steer towards an appointment. Competition on the stream? Uh-oh. I'm getting scoped out over here. Okay, so we're going to have an appointment. Let's see. Private final double seconds for volley. Let's say 6 for volley equals 0.8. I don't know. So the idea is I'm gonna do this like double jump and like tilt back to hit it with my nose, kind of volley hit. And I'm guessing how long that's gonna take for the jumping and the tilting. I'm gonna set my appointment based on how much time I need for that. Okay, so we need to go back into VolleyBot. And grab this. Oh, we need all this crap actually. Let's make volley height a public member of this thing. She'll make this upset temporarily. Okay, the volley skill getting closer. I'm gonna drag all this stuff into here. Now, what are you mad about? Bracket. Okay, so we need to make an appointment based on where we want to drive to for the volley. And that should just be based on intercept, I'd say. Volley point.get game time. The steer target should be volley point.get position. The car is packet.car. Alright, I guess if volley point equals null, turn null. And then we have to say if volley point dot get game time. Oh, we'll say till a point equals volley point dot game time minus packet.car dot elapsed seconds. And if this thing is less than or equal to seconds for volley, then we're going to go ahead and do the jump and volley thing. And this thing is going to have a plan of its own, I think. Okay, equals new plan dot with step, and then we'll timed action 0.4 controls output dot with jump dot with pitch 0.0. Let's do one there. We'll add more steps in a second. If plan is not equal null, oh boy. Plan dot output packet bot time check 30 minutes. If the plan is done, then this whole step is done, so I'll return null here. Okay. Hey, what's up? That guy did. Just trying to wrap up a cool new skill. Okay, then we will with step new timed action 0.05. We're going to stop pitching and stop jumping. We'll do another one where we actually jump again. And then, geez, now what? We'll do 0.3 of, oh, we'll just make this longer. And then we'll do some more with a negative pitch. Got no idea what this is going to do. Just to test this baby out, I'm going to make it do it constantly instead of all this crap. Oops. Alright. I'll add another really long step here so it can reset itself cleanly. We'll give it a whole 2 seconds. Alright. So hopefully it'll do... Oh! That seems... almost right. I think that the second jump is a bit late. And also we obviously need to pitch down more. So let's make this 0.2. And then we have the second jump, that seems fine. And then we need to pitch down for longer, so like that 0.4. Alright, what do we got? What the? Huh. Okay, pitch 1. That might be too much. We'll find out. going on with chat? The plan never removes steps, it just uses the index value. Oh my god, what am I doing? That's obviously wrong. Let's get back to something that at least works. Okay. Should I be backflipping? Nah. Why is the damn thing going backwards, by the way? It's a bit odd. Let's make this 0.3 instead. Use a bit of boost. That's a good idea. This damn thing doesn't use boost at all. So, with boost, the only thing is the boost will make it a little bit unpredictable, because I won't know if I have boost or not. Let's see how high this damn thing goes. Whoa. What? Stop that. Yeah, I don't think I can afford to do the boost thing right now. But later, definitely. Alright, let's grab this plan. Not counting the weight part. Well, we'll do a little bit of a short wait to let it land before it starts trying to drive. So the volley will be this. And this will be less. This will be like 0.1, whatever. This goes away. How long does this volley take? 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. That's like... Well, by the time it hits it, it's only going to be about 0.6 or 7. We'll call it 0.7. And then, what's the volley height, actually? I don't know if it's getting higher or lower than 500. I guess we can find out. So... let's just try it. Let's see what happens. Plan equals new plan dot with step new volley. Turn plan dot get output. Input this. All right. Let's find out if this volley thing is going to be worth a dang. We don't really have time to fix it. Hello. Oh, no volley? Come on now. Okay, we had an attempt. It was not a very good attempt. Second pop makes it go backwards because you tilt it up. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, Hey, there's a volley! Its namesake. I should probably make it volley it towards the goal now. while there's still time. But obviously, I think the numbers for the volley are a little bit off. But not completely. Sweet. Alright. Let's give this thing a fighting chance. So, our volley point is here. Our appointment. Alright, I'm going to change this a little bit. Volley target equals volley point dot get position. And then, let's see, we want a vector going from the goal to the ball. Equals goal dot get enemy goal packet dot team dot get center and packet dot ball dot position dot flatten dot minus. That's Java for you, folks. Like that, and then we'll do volley target dot plus goal to ball dot scale to magnitude of 50. That's like half the ball radius, right? Now what are you mad about? Oh, right. Oh shit, this one's a vector 3, huh? Okay. Volley point division. Whatever. With Z0. Okay. Let's try that. We should be drawing some stuff too. I would love to draw the volley target. We got a renderer in here yet? No. Okay, renderer dot draw centered rectangle color dot what have we not used yet? What's pretty? How about dark salmon? I have no idea what that looks like actually. And then what? The position will be volley target. And then 8, 8. True? Ah, shit. Why'd you import the wrong thing? They don't have dark salmon. No. Alright, screw it, we'll go orange. "15 minutes left. Show me a volley. No such luck. on, give me a volley. Don't screw me on this. Go, go, go. Get over there. Ah. Damn bot doesn't boost, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I should teach it to boost before we run out of time. Well, so much for the volley, y'all. Oh yeah, the kickoff sucks. You're right. Oh shit. Oh no. Alright, it's kickoff time. Screw all that other stuff. And are you sure it works when it's orange? Yeah, probably. Okay. So, I'm gonna do kickoffs freaking ASAP. And then I'll double check the orange stuff. Christ. Alright. So, and is kickoff equals input dot. Oh shit. Fuck. Public file boolean is kickoff equals request dot game info dot is kickoff pause. No, I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm just gonna do oops. Leave that. Is kickoff equals input dot ball dot velocity dot flatten dot magnitude is less than 1. Yeah, why not? Okay, if is kickoff we're going to steering dot steer toward position input dot car new vector 3, so that should steer towards the center of the field. Dot with boost, of course. And if input dot car dot position dot magnitude is less than 2000, then plan equals new plan dot with step new timed action controls output. I'm gonna do a front flip here. Now what are you mad about? Oh. 0.2. This needs to go underneath the plan part. Okay. And then more steps. Timed action 0.05 controls output, and then with jump with pitch -1. I have no idea if that is correct. Let's try it. I'm gonna keep all that bloat. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that bloat. Might do a sick volley, you never know. Alright, buddy, I'm gonna need you to score nice and quick. Ah, not like that. Yada yada yada, okay. Alright, start her up again. Please do a kickoff, please, please, please. Why aren't you boosting? Oh god. Oh, well, I never told to boost, so that's one thing. Or did I? I thought I did. Just kick off. I did. What the fuck? Oh. Return. That helps. What else? Alright, that's better. Sort of. Alright, fine. Good enough. We're going to do 0.1 here. And this is going to be 15 instead. Hopefully you'll just score, please? Oh, you asshole. Just score it. Wait, I did a flip reset? No way. Where's the sound? Alright, boys, kickoff time. Alright, that's good enough, right? Was that flip a little bit too soon still? Yeah, that's too soon. Alright, I'm gonna make this a 1100. And we're also gonna switch this over to orange team. We'll actually verse two of them, how about that? VolleyBot versus VolleyBot. Yeah. Yeah. The rear kickoff. Nothing will crash on orange. It's fine. Oh, we got no pointers. Why? Invalid. No problem. They're doing volleys. Okay. Swing and a miss. Sick. They're volleying tons. Worth it. Alright, is the dribbling direction correct for both these gentlemen? No, I think orange is trying to score on itself. Isn't it? Wait. Yeah, fuck. Something's wrong. Alright, is blue still working at least? Yeah, I think so. Alright, let's focus on this. Oh no, this is right. I just got confused with the way the basis lines were. Ooh. Alright, I think we might be good. Looks good to me. Oh, weird. Alright, y'all. VolleyBot is born. Anything I'm missing? I got 5 minutes to do it. He's waiting for the volley. He got bumped. Poor little fella. This is good. Oh yeah, boost. I don't know. Okay, we'll do a little bit of boost. Boost. Friggin' dribble mode. Let's do towards appointment. That with boost. Distance to target is greater than 2,000. Yeah, I did say I'd make shooting, but I think that, yeah. It's good as is, and I don't have enough time to mess with that. Wait, did I put that in steer towards appointment? I don't want that. I want that, well, do I want it in both? I'll put it in both. Yes, random changes, this is good. Do I have a card to target? Yeah. Kinda wish I had boost so I could test the boost behavior. We can do that. God, we are so freaking out of time, man. Where's the boost? Boost amount, unlimited. Close, run. Fire back up. 3 bots entering? Okay. Had to pull out, that's too bad. I hope he enters again. Okay. The boost is definitely not a disaster. Or is it? Oh shit. Just to be safe, I'm going to back it off a little bit. I'm going to say 3,000 for this, and 3,000 for this. Alright? Alright. 1 minute left. I think that's going to have to be our last change. Oh, baby! Look at that shot. Alright. What do I play on? I'm not sure what you mean. Alright, that's time, folks. Add dot. VolleyBot. Okay. So now you see my commit hash. This is the official VolleyBot. And I guess that's a wrap. I'm going to let it play some more. Oh yeah, so this is playing on PC, and these are custom bots. Oh shoot, was that an own goal? 10 minutes for Halloweenification. Good point. So for the spirit of Halloween, we need to go in. I'll use the GUI for that actually. So I guess I better keep the octane. What have we got on offer? I'm totally spacing out now. Bot customization. Item IDs. So, can we get some bats in here? Bat. Bat, bat, bat. What's Hallowtide? Yeah, I gave them unlimited boost to make sure that they didn't behave poorly when there was boost. But I understand that during the actual tournament there's going to be limited boost. Oh, I don't actually have to go over there. I can just do this. Okay. So, H. I'm confused. Does this thing not have the same stuff? Oh, those are trails, not boosts. I'm being stupid. Wheels, boosts. What's a good spooky boost? I don't even know. Netherworld? How come we don't got Netherworld? Okay, Netherworld. And then, what else? What do I want for... trying to open up the GUI again so I can use it for the rest of the stuff. I also want to get this running again for you guys. So, RLBot. Run that, run this. Good? No? Yes? Okay. Alright, Netherworld. Why did I not see it before? That's weird. Antenna. I guess I'm not really an antenna guy. Oh, wolf skull. These are totally not in order. 13. The hat. There's cats fighting in front of your house. That is unfortunate. Witch's hat? Okay. It's fine, it's fine. Gull explosion. That simply won't do. How about Hellfire? No, how about Vampire Bat? Decal. Oh boy, get back to Octane. Skulls. Oh, 4. Octane. Okay, wheels. What does Reaper look like, I wonder? Don't know what those are. Alright. And then the colors, let's just go ahead and save that. And we'll see what we got. So, I think we have to leave the match. Okay. And those colors are kind of fugly for orange. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Orange. We'll go with a nice 37. What do you mean bricked? I probably just didn't start it up. Oh shit, the decal's still... Why is the decal green? No, 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 no. Um, does that make sense? How could it possibly be green? Oh, the secondary is measured differently. The so 37 made it that. So let's make it 31. No, let's make it 90. Okay, that's 10 minutes are up. I said Hallowtide for the car trail. No, it's too late. It's too late. It's over. Let's do another commit. Alright, let's see what we ultimately came up with. Okay. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna let these gentlemen run for a while. I did have fun. Thank you for the well wishes. I hope this tournament is fun to watch. I think it will be. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. I hope it didn't get too boring during the early stages, but we got a bot out of it. I'm inclined to just watch this for a little while. They both really want it. Wow, Blue, that's not smart. Uh-oh, what's up with the null pointers? Oh, interesting. Looks like there's a bug. I think that when the bot gets too far away from the ball, then it has no intercept and it has no idea what to do, and it just totally crashes. So that ain't good. Like, it recovers eventually. But yeah. Too far from the ball equals dead. What a goal. Kind of curious how often that'll happen. Like, how did it get so far from the ball in the first place? Passing to each other. Oh, somebody volley this, please. Yep, both of them will. Interesting how they went under it. Oh, red steals it. He doesn't care about shooting though. Yeah, I think this bot could probably be much improved by a decent side flip at the appropriate moment, you know? Put a little pace on the ball for a shot. Hindsight. Can this be a goal? Nope, probably not. Yeah, I think I agree that the volley probably made it worse. I'm okay with that. It's good entertainment value. Yeah, these matches are going to be fun. I've got no idea what the other guys came up with. I didn't watch the streams yesterday. I said I wouldn't because I didn't want to kind of cheat and see what their kickoffs looked like and all that good stuff. Does that count as a bump for the goal? Oh, sad own goal. Why is blue kicking so much ass? That's more like it. Orange isn't broken, you take that back. Oh my god. I was only half paying attention, but... Well, first of all, how did that happen? Second of all, sick. Rear shots ROP. It's the new meta. Those volleys are a little bit broken in some circumstances. Oh, that could be a goal. It is. It's all tied up 4-4. First bot to 5 wins, and then I'm ending the stream. And I'll bundle up this zip file and send it off. Alright. It's going to be orange just to rub it in. Robbie wins the bet. Off of an own goal. That's painful. Alright. That's game. I guess I'll stream this part where I make the zip file too. Tasks. Distribution, dist zip. And it's as easy as that, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can still hear me. These things tend to cut out when it's doing heavy CPU stuff. Alright, where's my zip file? Build, distributions, volleybot.zip. How did it know that it was named VolleyBot? Oh, the name of the repo. Okay. Yeah. I got pinged on Discord hella long ago. I don't know what happened there. Oh, no worries. Okay. How am I supposed to submit this? Not that. This. Rules. Point system. Entry. Be present. Enter yourself. I don't know. Tournaments chat. Okay. That works for me. You can get a copy. Everybody's got it. Yeah, better than All-Star. I wonder. I wonder. Alright, folks. Was it on GitHub? It is not on GitHub yet, but let me do that. I'll do that right now. Stop opening Facebook, dummy. How do I make a new repository? New VolleyBot. That group. Very nice. That's public. Do not initialize. Show baby pic. Okay. There's the baby pic. Very cute. Alright. And then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say add remote origin. That? Oh, yeah. I think it's get remote add. Oh. Oh, because I cloned from the thing. Okay. Get remote add VolleyBot. Git push VolleyBot. Maybe. Hey. Okay. Sweet. So now VolleyBot is officially open source. Bam. Alright, gang. Thank you very much for watching. This has been a lot of fun. Thank you for putting this guy on, or for putting this competition on. And I look forward to watching the stream tomorrow. It's same time as I started streaming, I believe, just one day later. See ya.